Is that my Rocky? Hey, Rock. It's your boo-boo. Hi, sweetness. Yes, I'm coming. This is Rocky, guys. Hi, sweetness. Boo-boo's coming. Hi. Here's my baby. You got it? Hey, sweetness. I got you. You're welcome. There you go, big guy. And up there, that's my Remi bird. Hi, Remi. Hi, sweet bird. Hello. Hello. And, oh goodness, and then we got the big ones up there, but I think they're going to look for food. Anyway, so here we are. And I'm going to give Remi some num-num here on the table. And we'll see. He may, or he may not. Remi! Let's see. Hey, Rem. You want to come get the num-num? Hi, pretty bird. Hello, my pretty bird. Hi, Remi. Come here, sweetness. Hey, Rem. Hello. Hello. I love you, Remi. Thank you. Come get some num-num, big guy. Hey, sweetness. Pretty bird. Okay. You want to come down and get some num-num? Okay, I'll catch you next time, big guy.